5 months ago, I couldn't able to say any sentences in English, and today, how I've mastered in English. I speak in English confidently and normally. And today, guys, if you're struggling to learn English and you couldn't find a new way, you don't know how to start, what routine you should follow, and what way you to improve your English. Today, I'm going to share you my routine English to learn English, how I learn new vocabulary, how I speak English, how I practice step by step. So, if you struggling to learn English, you are not alone. You're at the right place. I'm gonna show you today 5 ways. I mean, like 4 ways, 4 powerful tips. If you follow and you repeat after them consistently, you can improve English short time without overwhelming and frustrating. So let's get started. The first step is I speak the language. What I mean by that, I speak the language. A lot of you guys, you when you start to learn English, some they started learning grammar and some they just write down hundred of words. They put their notebook hundred of words, and they thinking if they repeat those words at a short time, they would definitely speak the language, and that's not totally true. No, if you write down many words, if you put your notebook hundred of words, you would not speak the language. So for me, what I mean by that, I speak the language. I speak this language since I started learning English 5 months ago. Every single damn day, I speak in the language. Every single day, when I woke up, I started speaking, and when the sun set, I stopped speaking. So I just speaking every single day. How I speak in the language. I use a HelloTalk application. If you know, guys, I have no idea about it, but I use HelloTalk application called HelloTalk, and I open my voice room and I practice my English there every single day, and I track what I'm doing, how I practicing everything step by step. I practice a day almost 3 hours or 2 hours between that like the usual. I just speak a day 3 hours, 2 hours. I never skip one day. If I skip one day, I back the track another day, next day. You are human being, so if you skip one day, it is okay, but don't miss the second day. You just on the track. So I just speak the language, use Hello Talk, open my voice room, invite people, talk to them, and practice my English. And totally it's free. I'm Hello Talk not pay to. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to practice your English to Hello Talk and pay something. No, you just need to, I wouldn't pay, I never pay anything. Just practice my English there, and I get enough time to practice my English. So using last 5 months when I started learning English, every single day I speak in the language 3 hours or 2 hours every single day. Here is how I speak the language. First, I use a Hello Talk to improve my English speaking. The second, I stand in front of the mirror. I got mirror, and that my mirror, I put my wall at mirror, and I stand in front of the mirror and express myself. I talk about myself. I talk about the weather. I talk about the kitchen. I talk about what I'm gonna cook and what I'm going to do tomorrow. So yeah, I do that. A lot of people they think that is talking to yourself or talking in front of the camera is funny or insane, but it really works so much. So I'm not saying that go out talk to yourself like a crazy person, but when you're at home and you by yourself, talk to yourself and speak the language. So the first tip is I use the language and speak the language every single day. I will keep going until I become fluent. Let's move to the second one. The second one is I listen the language. I listen English. What I mean by that? The first like I feel like my English improvement comes from listening. When I as usual every afternoon I go to the park to have a work. I just want to work there. So I download 2 or 3 podcasts and I put earphone in my ear. I just listen that 1 hour or between 30 minutes every single day. I would never skip anyone. 5 consistently month. So I just do that. I still do keep doing until I become fluent. It works so much. If you're struggling to memorize words or if you're struggling to not learn words, this is the fastest strategy you to learn words. You should not write down hundreds of words and just leave it there and think I will speak English later. No, that's not how it works, baby. So I just listen podcast English. The second one, when I at home watching my phone, every single person, every single I watch entertainment, movies, whatever. I watch in English. I just watch every single thing in English. I replace my own language to English, and that is how you can improve your English. You must pay effort to speak the language. You not just pop up at the morning and use two videos to watch in English. Boom, I speak English. No, that's not how it works. I replace my own language to English. Just yeah, I understand. I completely understand that when you just start to learning English, you don't know many words, you don't understand the language, you don't understand the people what they saying, you would struggle so much, and you don't even feel that what you're watching. I understand it. I completely understand that, but you need to force yourself to keep watching, and one day you would completely understand it, what you're watching. And I do it the same way. 5 months ago, I couldn't able to understand any single video I've been watching. But you know what? I just keep going. Just keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. And right now, I feel I understand everything. I'm not saying that I completely understand it, but I understand it enough to laugh and to feel the vibe of what I'm watching, the video, the movie, everything. Let's move to the second one. Third one. The third one is I learn new words. Align your words and make them sentences. All of you guys, again, you learn like you just prepare a bunch of words, like 100 of words. Put your notebook, repeat after them. Through cat, car, blah blah, leave them. No, that is not how it works as well. So when you want to speak or learn or memorize those words, you must write down and make them sentences. Don't just leave the words there. Yeah, I would not say that just put the words there and leave it. No. Write down those words and just choose one a day, one word. Just go to there is a lot of things helping me out, a lot of platforms, AI, ChatGPT out there. You just say, ChatGPT, I prepared those words today, a list of words, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 5. I would not say a line more a lot. I would say if you're really serious to learn English and you don't want to give up, you don't want to feel frustrated, learn every single day 3 or 5 between that. Don't just say, I will learn one day 1,000 of words. That's not how it works well. So I wrote down my words. When I wrote down my words, I put ChatGPT to link those words, or I just write down and ask ChatGPT, today ChatGPT, I learned these words. I'm going to learn these words. Please explain me those words and tell me the meanings. If ChatGPT send me every word, every single word, his meaning, and I just see the word, their meaning, and I try to use it. So that is how you can learn words. You cannot learn words to put your notebook, repeat one completely months, repeat. No, the brain not work like that. The brain not work like that. But the brain, what it memorize is what she see a lot of times, frequently, more frequently. If you see the words, also the way I improve my words is when I watching things, movies, people, YouTubers, vlogs, something we interesting, right? When we are in YouTube, on YouTube we watch something, we watch entertainment video, we watch vlogs, we watch people who travel, we watch people who, movies, entertainment, dramas, all of that. I put my subtitle button, hit the subtitle button, and I watch with subtitle. Now on, and I will. A lot of people I see don't watch English with subtitle. That is not how it works. If you want to improve your language seriously, learn new words every single day while you entertaining yourself as well, you must watch with subtitle English. So I watch everything I watch, and I put my subtitle, and then I just see the words. I see how they using. I see the grammar structure, everything, and that's how I improve a lot. So you must on the subtitle part. Even if you watch this video, you may not understand it so much. So and open the subtitle button and watch what I'm saying. So let's move the last one. The last one is the biggest one. This one, if you all do the what I'm saying to you all that, but you didn't do this one, you didn't follow this one, you would never ever speak this language. You would, but you would speak horribly maybe. So the one is I be consistent. What I mean by that, last 5 months, I've been consistent. I haven't skipped one single day. One single day. I would not say do it the same way. If you skip one day on the track, wait back on the track the second day. Don't just say, I skipped this day, so everything's broke. No. If you skip one day, it's happening. You may get half of something, you may go to hospital, you may go to something else, you ban something, your family, you have a lot of stuff. So if you skip one day, it's not bad. Trade back on the track the second day and start the way. So I be consistent every single damn day. I'll show up every night, every single day. I just show up, just show up. I'm not saying that every single day being master. We are human being. When you woke up, one day you feel you can learn, you can improve, you can do whatever, and one day you feel you cannot do anything, and I completely understand that. I do that. I This morning when I woke up before I make this video, I really couldn't find my motivation. So motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Don't just watch this video and see, oh, this guy speaks English, learn English together. I'm gonna learn English. Don't say that. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. If you wanna really seriously learn this language, you must be disciplined. Don't be motivated. Motivated is just one day, 2 days with face faith after 2 days, but discipline keeps you going. So you must be consistently be disciplined and keep learning. You see so many days, so many times, you feel frustrated, no comes out, no words comes out of your mouth, you cannot speak the language, you feel give up. So that day, discipline makes sense. Motivation, it's fate. Motivation not there anymore. So don't just think about the day you watch a guy, he is your age, learning this language, speaking, and you think, oh, this guy speaking this language, I must learn. No, that's it comes from your heart. If you want to learn this language, if you love really want to speak this language, you must take action and speak and try to speak this language. Don't think it just, oh, Mukhtar is speaking this language, so I must speak. No, you have your own way and I have my own way. I was doing the same way, so don't just think I'm motivated. If you want to learn English, be disciplined. Don't be just motivated and just watch a video pop up on YouTube. A person post his video, I learn English, and just say start. I'm gonna learn English. That is, you're gonna give after 1 week. When that motivation fades, you would say, "Oh, this is not gonna work." So the first one is the last one is I be consistently. That 5 months, I just be consistency using the language, speaking, learning grammar. No, I haven't. I never learned grammar, and my grammar, by the way, it's not good. Sorry, but I speak in the excuse me. I speak in the language. I learn new words. I listen in podcasts, English podcasts. I watch in movies in English. Everything, my environment, I make in English. So that's all video today, guys. Also, I want to add you one inspiration you to you can learn this language. Everybody can learn. You may smarter than me. You may healthy than me. You may better than me when it comes to understanding or learning language, but what you need is just taking action. Just take action. Just take action. One day, just take action and keep going and trust the progress. Don't just wait the result. Oh, today I repeat 100 times a sentences why I cannot speak English. Don't say that. Trust the progress. You will speak the language. Just be normal and keep going until you become fluently. And I hope if you like the video and you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. And by the way, I didn't introduce myself the first video. So my name is Mukhtar. I'm from Somalia. I learn English by myself in online, and I really love this language. Just want to speak this language. And if I speak this language fluently one day, I would love to teach my audience and my friends as well and teach people, helping them out, my experience and how I improve this language along the way. So if you like the video and you can join me, I made myself challenges and next 90 day I posted every single video, everyday video to improve my English. So join me this journey and learn English with me. have you given.